Morgues in Hong Kong are overflowing with bodies after a deadly COVID wave has forced workers in hazmat suits to dump corpses in shipping containers. Workers in full PPE gear were seen moving bodies covered in black tarpaulin from a truck into rows of shipping containers outside Fu Shan Public Mortuary on Wednesday. Hong Kong has recorded nearly 1 million infections and more than 4,600 deaths less than 3 months after the highly transmissible Omicron variant broke through. The bulk of the deaths has been from the city's unvaccinated elderly population. A funeral industry representative told local media the soaring death toll had seen a crunch in the city's coffins supply, with only 300 remaining and expected to be gone by the weekend. Leader Carrie Lam acknowledged the supply issues during a press conference Wednesday, and said 2 more shipments of coffins will arrive in Hong Kong from the mainland soon. The shocking images come just 5 days after bodies were seen lying abandoned on stretchers next to living patients in a Hong Kong hospital. A medic working at the hospital told Hong Kong Free Press the photo was taken inside the accident and emergency ward of Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Hong Kong and circulated on Friday. The photo, reportedly taken in early March, showed 6 body bags lying on stretchers as bed-bound patients struggled to prop themselves up. I learned from the Food and Health Bureau last night that they are endeavoring to arrange transportation of coffins by water, she said. She added that officials have been trying to help families concerned about post-mortem affairs, including how to retrieve bodies already transported to public morgues without a doctor issuing a death certificate. We will try to find a way for the family to take the body back so that they can arrange the funeral soon. The crematoriums have also been working day and night at full capacity, Lam said. Dot. 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 Chinese social media users have reacted angrily in the past few days, saying the spread of COVID in the mainland is due to Hong Kong's sluggish epidemic response. Tens of millions in mainland China were abruptly placed under stay-at-home orders this week, after the emergence of more than 3,000 daily new cases as Beijing battles to maintain its zero-COVID strategy. In nearby Shenzhen, all 17.5 million residents were locked down on Monday after an Omicron flare-up in factories and neighborhoods linked to Hong Kong. After photos emerged of maskless Hong Kong residents sunning at a beach, which drew vitriol from Shenzhen's netizens, authorities announced Wednesday that government-managed beaches will be cordoned off starting Thursday. As we see a surge of people going to beaches, we have to take appropriate measures in order to reduce the public's movements to ensure safety, Lam told reporters. This new measure adds to Hong Kong's already strict distancing rules, including wearing masks while hiking and a ban on gatherings of more than 2. The embattled chief executive, whose job is up for grabs in a few months, has so far declined to say if she will run for another term. This election process was postponed to May because of the wave of COVID cases, and any further postponement would be up to Beijing, Lam said.